Hey, it's just Sam Brown here from SensatioNail. Today we're going to learn how to remove gel polish with our SensatioNail Gel Polish Removing Kit. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that bell notification button and subscribe. In your kit, you should expect to receive some gel polish remover, some foil sachets to put your fingers inside, an acetone dropper to use to put the acetone in the foil, a double-ended buffer, and last but not least, a manicure stick. Firstly, you want to break the shiny top layer with your buffer. Then add the acetone using your dropper into the removal foils. Wrap your nails snugly into your removal foils. Top tip, keep your hands warm by wrapping them in a towel. Heat helps activate the acetone to make it work a lot quicker. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, then unwrap. Gently use the cuticle stick to push away any loose polish. Do not scrape the nail or remove any stubborn polish with the stick. If some polish remains, make sure you re-soak your nails until the polish is removed gently. If you did miss anything, all the instructions and products will be listed down below. What I need to know is, have you got any tips and tricks for me? And how would you remove gel polish at home? Make sure to leave me a comment down below. I will be looking, and I hope you join me for next time. See ya! Do not scrape the pail.
Well, I can't do that.